Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an Volcano easy guide. Gather baking soda, vinegar, red food coloring, dish soap, a small bottle, and a tray. I'll walk you through simple steps to build a safe model volcano that erupts reliably. You can adapt sizes and colors to suit a school project or home experiment. Follow safety tips and adult supervision notes so every eruption stays fun and messes. Start by shaping a sturdy base from clay or papier mache around your bottle. Build gentle slopes to mimic a real volcano and leave the top open. Dry fully before painting. Paint with brown, gray, and black tones, then add lava channels with red and orange. Make sure the bottle stays accessible for adding ingredients. Keep tools and workspace covered to protect surfaces and allow a smooth, creative build. Have fun. Measure about 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the bottle. Add a squirt of dish soap and a few drops of red food coloring for volcanic foam. Pour in about half a cup of vinegar quickly and step back to watch the eruption. Experiment with amounts to change height and duration, but clean up spills promptly. Always use adult supervision for kids and dispose of mixtures down the sink with water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.